Got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. Bread, up and down, bread, up and down, right, bread, up and down, been open. Power, weakest, flaws, money, driven, nature, fraud, breathless, body, diamond, bones, wanna be it, wanna feel it.
What's up guys? Nagbabalik ulit si Joker TV stream at may dumating tayong mga parcel today. Ito yung mga in-order natin ng ibang brand naman coming from a different manufacturer, which is Takara Tomy guys, as you can see in the video. Also, marami pa ako in-order kaso nga lang guys, ito pa lang yung so far na dumating. So I try a different type of brand ng kotse. Besides having, we have the, of course, yung una nating nakuha na kotse is yung yung Jada na brand from Pink Slips. Also, yung Majorette nating kinuha na item na almost similar with Matchbox and as well as with the Hot Wheels and other type of brand, which is yung Maisto. Ngayon, ito guys, this is coming from I believe this should be like yung Japan, but I ordered it through AliExpress guys. Just like yung isa-send kong pictures sa inyo na which app where I get this item. So ito yung dalawang item natin guys coming from Takara Tomy. So according to this review guys, ito yung sorry, bumagsak yung ating tao. My gosh. This is one thing happened like yung I don't know what's the best thing you guys can recommend dun sa yung mga sticky clay dough, kung anong pwede nyong recommend sa akin. Please comment down below para because I really kind of looking forward na makahanap ng mga sticking glue para dun sa mga maliliit na tao. Now let's head back to our item here. Ito yung natin nakuha. Ang kinuha ko for now, there's like actually I think 3 items na in-order. Actually total of 5 items na in-order ko sa AliExpress which under by Takara Tomy. So far ito pa lang yung dumating sa atin today. And also guys, dumating na rin yung in-order nating what do you call this? Yung rims na papalit natin guys, yan. Ang ganda ng rims, maganda yung pagkakaano niya. Like, really realistic. So, I'll try to see kung ano yung pwede nating kotse na pwede kong i-modify using this one. So, para mas legit na maganda. Kasi I know I have some Hot Wheels na maganda na yung wheels, so I don't need to like change it yung niya para lang magmukhang astig. And also I'm still waiting dun sa just like I mentioned on our first video na inantay ko pa yung natin yung acrylic paint where I could use yung para pinturahan natin yung mga Hot Wheels natin to be customized. Ngayon, let's try to open this up kung ano yung itsura guys. So according to yung ibang collectors natin guys out there for die-cast collection ng Hot Wheels is some of them they review na sabi nila hindi daw maganda yung brand according to their own perspective, but malalaman natin dito guys kung talagang like legit nga talaga na hindi maganda or something. Pero there are some naman kasi ako nakitang ibang reviews, maganda naman yung pagkakalabas ng item. So let me try to open this up and then so I can show you what it looks like inside. Be back in a few seconds. Here it is guys, nabuksan na natin. Try natin kung ano yung tsura sa loob. So this is the brand for this car is under manufacturer of Takara Tomy. There you go. So when we open it, talagang naka-sealed box siya, which is good. Just to protect the paint. Wow, it's very nice. The good thing about it, meron din siyang just like yung Majorette, meron siyang suspension. You see? Meron siyang suspension guys. So, very neat, very nice. Overall paint, it's not that much of the special effects yung parang mga chrome or something. But, when it comes to detail, especially yung logo ng ating Nissan, it's very good. As well as with the taillights, headlights with the clear plastic. Unlike yung mga ibang diecast model natin na medyo, alam mo na, medyo, what do you call this, parang tricky kasi ano lang siya, talagang pure metal, pure alloy metal. So, the good thing about this is yung door niya nabubuksan. So, yun yung kagandahan. So, yun lang, di nabubuksan yung hood unlike in the first one. So, let's see the difference between itong item na to versus itong nakuha natin coming from Majorette. So, the Majorette, I believe I showed you on our last video, na-open yung hood niya, guys. So, unlike this one, hindi siya na-open. Pero this one is very detailed. Ganun din siya dito. Detailed yung niya. And then as well as with the yung headlights, it's also clear plastic. So, the only good thing about this is with the type of wheels that they use to this one. So ito is medyo classy, astig yung pagkakaano niya, hindi siya ganun ka detailed compared to this to Majorette na may set na siya ng wheels and also rubberized yung gulong niya. Unlike this one is, as you can see, it's a total really plastic, which is good enough for me. But if you're like a die-hard collector like from other places, usually they tend to like modify this, that's what I'm actually gonna do. Now, check natin to. So kung papansinin nyo yung difference, maganda yung niya, magkaibang spoiler. Also, the only thing difference with this is, unlike this with Majorette, meron siyang tinatawag na side mirror. As you can see, may mga side mirror siya. Pero unlike on this one, wala siyang side mirror, guys. Just a plain car with the can be open door. Interior is quite okay, pero masastig yan kung mamomodify natin. And the difference with this is, unlike with Majorette, this one can actually open yung yung hood. This is one good thing about this. Let me open it. So, unlike yung sa Majorette, na-open yung hood niya. So, basically, pwede mong pinturahan yan just to make it more realistic. Which is good. So, if you're gonna face the difference, they're both have suspension. They have both suspension. Though, ang pinaibal lang niya compared dito from Takara Tomy, which is, I heard it's a good brand as well. Compared to Majorette, I'd say siguro yung wheels. The only thing is wheels, yun lang, dun talo sila, of course. Kung like if we're gonna compare it to like parang full stock, mas okay pa rin tong Majorette na nabili natin coming from dito US brand compared sa Takara. But also, it's still a good thing if you're really part of it na talagang, you're really a hard collector. I would prefer also getting this as well for some of you guys or some of my subscriber followers na kung kayo nagko-collecta ng ganito, kung budget me lang, this is also good, but Majorette actually only costs about, I'd say, about $4 to $5 more. But still, if we're gonna compare it to this, Takara Tomy, I got this for about, I think, 6 or 7. But all over in all, it's okay. Okay naman siya na brand with our Nissan GTR. So, there's nothing wrong with that. And also, let's try to open this ang ating kauna-unahang, actually not kauna-unahan because I have another Honda Civic but it's a different type of Honda Civic. This one is a Honda Civic Type R. Ito yung I was planning to get in the future, hopefully, na talagang totoong kotse na I'm really gonna get soon. Let's try and open it up and I'll be back in a few seconds. So, we're back again guys. So, ito na yung Honda Civic Type R. Ito yung mostly na some of the Filipinos out there, it's their dream car. For me, for my own perspective, especially here in the United States, kadalasan ng mga Pilipino dito yung mga mahilig mag-set up ng car is they have this Honda Civic. So, let's try to open it to see what's inside. So, under din siya ng manufacturer ng Takara Tomy, which is good, coming from Japan. So, this one is like, ooh, this is neat. Very nice. So, unlike this one, guys, ito, I would say it's a legit, very good. Yung details. Especially yung taillights niya, as you can see, merong Honda Civic logo emblem. Tapos, which shows that that has a word Type R on it, then Honda Civic. So on the bottom, it has like we call it exhaust. So this one, pwede nyo rin siyang i-edit if you guys really like onto, making it really more realistic car. Now, with the wheels, this is quite okay. I would say this is quite good. So, typically, I don't really papalitan to kasi okay naman yung wheels niya and it suits the color of what the car is. So unlike this one, the difference is you cannot open the door, and it, as like I said earlier, it doesn't have any side mirror. And then it's good, it's very nice, especially with the spoiler niya. Astig ang cute astig ng spoiler on the Civic. And also has the suspension. Just like what we have earlier, this car has suspension. And the good thing about this is, ang difference niya is, wow, may paint yung kanyang makina. Unlike yun sa Majorette, it's just a plain plastic color. But here may pintura yung makina niya and it really shows the details kung ano itsura. And overall, this type of color is flat black. This is what I really want kapag nagkaroon ako ng ganitong kotse in real life. This is what I wanted to do. Ipa-flat black ko siya and then just really exactly how it looks like this right now. But also different body kit. That's what I'm planning to do. But all over, it's very nice. Medyo meron nga lang siyang parang mga scratch as you can see. I don't know if you can see the camera. But meron siyang mga scratch dun sa paint. But all over in all, it's very nice car. Good to collect for collection. Yeah, it's very legit. Unlike compared to dun sa most likely kasi sa Hot Wheels, typically kadalasan nakikita ko na kotse is like more onto like real paint. It's not flat. Unlike yung Java, it's almost similar to this na medyo flat black, flat color. I mean matte color. Sorry, correct. Let me correct myself. Matte color, unlike yung ibang mga kotse natin. But all over in all, guys, here's my collection from Takara Tomy. This is Joker TV stream again. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much and have a good one.